That's pretty rad. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Look to the right.
They just don't make them like this anymore. That is incredible. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that grill. That is a beauty. Wow. Hey everybody, it's your old pal Robert from ThrillRide.com. How you doing? So I'm in Santa Paula, California, and in the middle of a street filled with some absolutely spectacular vehicles. It's an auto show that takes place up here on the first Friday of every month. And yeah, very much looking to check out some vintage vehicular vavoom. So let's go take a look around. Another great Chevrolet. Oh my gosh, I don't want to get in front of you. Oh, fantastic. Oh, look at that interior. Oh man, beautiful. Look at the detail on this thing. Oh my God, wow. Insane. Just spectacular. I don't even know what this device is up here, but it's awesome. Oh, yeah. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh, and I love the Felix the Cat detail here. That's classic. Well, I don't think I've seen a DeSoto in the flesh ever. This may be my first DeSoto. That is pretty cool. Yeah, it looks like this is in need of a little restoration, but that's still pretty great. And look at those big white wall tires. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Beautiful El Camino. Look at that clean engine bay. That is stunning. Oh, yeah. Yeah, growing up as a kid, I always wanted an El Camino. I just thought they were the coolest little pickup trucks. Oh. Those gold wheels are pretty bling and awesome. And I love the little toy car right in front of it. That's fantastic. Look at this. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Chevy Malibu. Oh, here's another classic. Yeah. Look at that. Those are some big wheels. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Yeah, super cool. Oh. Amazing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And look at that metallic brown. What a great color. We can eat first, like whatever's good for you guys. I'm good. Look at that. Listen to that baby purr. Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah, that's a gas burning vehicle. Oh my gosh. Yeah, two-tone paint jobs always works for me. And that metallic look, yeah, stunning. So cool. Yeah. Boy, it hurts seeing for sale signs on some of these. I didn't bring my my big spend wallet with me tonight, unfortunately. Yeah. There's too much to see here. And look at that pinstriping on that. Oh, gosh, so great. Oh, beautiful color. Boy, I remember a time, too, when every car in California had one of these on the aerial. The old 76 ball. Yeah, love that. Yeah, look at that Buick 8. Oh. Bulky but elegant. Yep, a lot of El Caminos here. Nice. I dig that. Oh my gosh. And look at this hood ornament. I mean, back when hood ornaments meant something.
You know how much that car is worth?
This Shelby GT500. No, tell me how much this car is worth, do you think?
Well, depending on if it's all the way, no, it's not.
Oh, $250? I can afford that. Yeah. No, not today. Not today. But when that lottery win comes in, something like that drives by, you stop and pay attention. Oh, look at this. Did you call that candy apple? Flaky paint? Yeah. Whew. Literally sparkles. So it turns out they do this show once a month starting in April and then through October. So it's not year-round. So it's a few times a year. But yeah, look at that. Too sassy indeed. That is quite sassy. Oh, yeah. No, you're good. You're good. Yeah. And look at those wheels. Oh. Yeah, some of these cars, they are just gleamingly clean. Beautiful. This is a Del Rey, a mark that is new to me. Chevrolet definitely well represented here. Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of Impalas, but this model from whatever year that is, yeah, I could get behind this. And look at that beautiful spare tire cover in the back. Wow. Again, not super aerodynamic, but sure looks good. Wow, look at this Packard and the pinstriping detail on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, goodness. That is full of wind. I love this spider web on the side window there. And the classic fuzzy dice hanging from the rear view. Perfect. Now that is the brightest yellow on a vehicle I've ever seen. That is blindingly yellow. Love it. Look at that. They had to cut a hole in the hood to get the engine in there. Right on. Oh, yeah. Look at that beast. I don't know anything really about motors, but I have a feeling this has got a lot of horsepower. Well, that's another pretty color. Look at that, yeah. The want is strong. Boy, that is another beautiful color. Cosmopolitan. Another brand I am not familiar with. Woo, yeah. That's a pretty awesome looking grill. Oh yeah, we'll put this on the wish list too. Fantastic. Look at that face. Oh yeah.
Can you imagine having this at 18 years old? How fucking weird it'd be?
Yeah, there you go. All right, here's a vehicle that is a true standout, a Bel Air, but look at the details on this thing. I don't know that I've ever seen a Bel Air with this distinctive body deco. Oh man, and that black body with the kind of purple roof. Yeah, that's rad. I like. Yeah, I've never owned a convertible either, but someday. And yeah, look at the back of this Santa Paula. This kind of teardrop brake lights. Oh, chef's kiss. No, my mistake. I thought that was an Impala, but it's another really beautifully tricked out El Camino. Oh yeah. Oh. That is rolling art. Man, there's a vehicle I've never seen before. That's awesome. Is that a Jeep of some kind? Yeah, it's a Jeep. And they're coming in for a landing. Or no, just turning around, yeah. But that grill, that is new to me. I like it. Okay, I know this isn't a V8 Interceptor, but I like the profile of this car. It's definitely got some Mad Max vibes going on here. An AMX. Oh yeah. Oh, and here's, look at this color. Wow. I'm not even sure how you describe that. It's a metallic mocha cream? Yeah, I don't know what you properly call that, but man, a lot of really stunning Impalas here today. And you know, we don't see enough vividly colored cars on the road anymore. In my neighborhood, if I've said it before, nothing but like black, white, silver, and gray. And look at that orange. That is lovely. Need more of that in our lives. Oh, look at this old hot rod jalopy. Yeah. Get some good Archie vibes off of that thing. And look at that red, man. Oh, that just screams love me. And also give me a ticket, but love me mostly. Ah, beautiful. Here's another really older vintage vehicle, the Morella Company. I don't know what that's all about, but yeah, look at that. There's a classic Ford. So we did stop for a dinner break here at this place called Rabalais, and I had some of the best jambalaya I've ever had here. Highly recommended. If you come to Santa Paula and you don't eat here, you're missing out. Yeah, you can't do better than classic cars and good food. It's a pretty sweet combo. Oh, and look at this little cutie pie. Oh, wow. Boy, that feels like you could just pick that up and walk away with it. Yeah, I'm sorry I was born too late for the hot rod era. I feel like I would have had a good time during the heyday of this kind of vehicle. Boy, there's a lowrider for you. That is scraping the pavement. Oh, so nice. Yeah, again, see these kind of teardrop brake lights. I love that detail a ton. Yeah, this is an Impala. I gotta say, I think we've seen more Chevys than any other major manufacturer here. And that's not a complaint. Oh yeah, the Corvair. There we go. I won't speak to its safety, but it's a pretty cool old car. Love it. And right at the end of the drag here in this parking lot, got a few more really stunning examples of motor vehicles that we just need more of in the world. Look at that son of a gun. Oh, oh, that's pretty well decored. And look at the mechanics in here to get the car to raise and lower. Yeah, this is another one that has one of my favorite colors, this kind of like slightly metallic turquoise. Really lovely mid-century color palette. Delish. And look at the wheel detail there. Oh man, yeah. Awesome. All right, I think that will bring this one to a close. So as always, thank you so much for coming along, and I hope you enjoyed this stroll through a little bit of American automobile history. Really impressed by the fit and finish of some of these older classic cars. That was always a good time. And again, as I've said so many times before, I just love vehicles of every stripe. It's just amazing the kinds of machines we build to get from here to there. So again, that you're still here, I'm so grateful for. And since you are still here, it'd be great if you consider giving the video a thumbs up, sharing, and perhaps even subscribing. And another great way to support the channel is with the purchase of a Thrill Rags t-shirt. Just visit thrillrags.com to check out a line of vintage faux dark ride and park logo shirts. And yeah, I guess that is going to wrap it up. So take care, and we will catch you in the next one.